LaDeena, in response to what you were saying about mental health, this year it's been tough post-COVID, and what I noticed my district administrators doing is really encouraging us when we're off the clock to take time to turn off our phones. Now, obviously, we can't do that every day, but they've looked to us as leaders in buildings and leaders at district office and said, you need to schedule time to turn off your phone, turn off your computer, spend time with your family, rest, relax, take a vacation, and just take care of your mental health and your family and spend time with them. And so as a worker at district office and a leader in many places and a future educational administrator, hopefully, I really see their care and concern for us, and I'm watching administrators actually do that and then in turn show care and concern for their employees. And that's something that, prior to COVID, you didn't see a lot of administrators showing that care because it wasn't really thought of. They weren't caring for themselves, and so they weren't thinking about the needs of their faculty and staff. And so this year alone, I've just witnessed the district office taking the time to care for the leadership, and in turn the leadership has been caring for their faculty and staff. And what's interesting about that is that they are now showing more care and concern for their students, and that's very important and needed for our students' mental health. So I just wanted to make that comment after what I heard you say about mental health in your video.